Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake using a microwave. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Also, make sure you have 1 tablespoon of oil and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget a microwave-safe mug or ramekin, approximately 8 ounces in size, for baking your delicious treat. Now let's get to mixing. In your microwave-safe mug, combine all the dry ingredients first: the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Whisk them together well. Then, add the milk and oil. Stir gently until just combined. Overmixing can make your cake tough. Remember to fill your mug only about 2/3 full to allow for rising during cooking, preventing any messy overflows. It's time to cook your cake. Place your mug in the microwave and cook on high power for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking times can vary based on your microwave's wattage, so keep an eye on it. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. If it's still gooey, continue cooking in short 15-second bursts until perfectly baked. Once your cake is cooked, carefully remove it from the microwave. Let it cool for just a few minutes, perhaps 2 or 3, to set properly. Now comes the fun part: decorating. You can add a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate sauce, or some fresh berries. This quick and easy homemade microwave cake is perfect for a single-serving treat, ready in under 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.